Hello people, it's raining. Make it stop. Yes, bad weather. But today, live with me indoors. Well, there's nothing to do indoors anyway. Oh, that's sick. I'm having Lauren over today. Yay! Well, I'll not be bored, that's one thing. I don't know. I could say at least we're doing something. Look at the hamster. Well people, some of you know I'm drawing people from YouTube and stuff and celebs, and they're all going over my wall. When I draw like lots of people, it's gonna go all over that wall. Yep. Well people, I'm off. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below what you think, like, fave and share. Bye.